Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give examples for switch statement clearly. I already explained important points for switch case. I will give program for each and every important points. Just concentrate here. I've written all the important points for switch case. Okay, I will give one by one example. Here you can see the syntax for switch condition. Now I will write an example for switch condition. There can be one or n number of case values. First I am going to initialize int variable int number equal to 10 ended with semicolon. Now I am going to write a switch condition. Switch of number, I have to print case. Here we have to give this data type only. If we give another data type, it throws error. Here the data type is int, so here I have to give int data type data only. Case, let us assume 5. This is not an one by one case values. This is a value. This is a value. This is not an 1 2 3 Roman numbers. This is the value. Okay. Now I want to print value is 5, and then I am going to give break statement. Break. Case 10 sys out value is 10. Break. Case with the value 15. Okay, value is 15, and then finally break statement. Here I was passing number as an expression. The number data type and then case value data type must and should be same. The compiler comes here and number variable generates a memory location and stores 10 value in that memory location. Now switch expression have number as an expression, checks number equal to 5. Is this true or false? It is false, so it doesn't go inside of this first case value. And then second, it comes to second case and checks number 10 equal to 10. Yes, it is satisfied, and then it goes inside and then prints first statement and break. Break is an statement. It jumps from the switch expression and continue with the program. No other printing statement is there in the program, so that's why nothing will be printed. Now look at the output. See, value is 10 is printed. If I was given 20, nothing will be matched, right? Nothing is printed. For your understanding, I will give one printing statement. Stops the program. Now I will run the program. Nothing is printed. Correct, right? If any case value is matched, then only the case statements are and inside the case values will be printed. If not, it doesn't print any statement inside the switch. We can have any number of case values. Let us assume we can give just copy and paste here. We can have any number of case values. And so on. That's not a matter how many case values we have. The case expression matches with the case expression value, then only the output will come. The next point is case value must be switch expression type only. Now observe here, I am going to initialize one more container with an char data type. Char name equal to I will give as A. Okay, in switch expression I have to pass name variable, and then I'm going inside, same syntax we have to write. Case, we have to give let us assume Z sys out Z, and then break. Case Y sys out Y. Okay, break. Case A sys out A, break. Now let's run the program. See, A is printed here. As of now, I will hide this one. A is printed. If I was changed this to double quotes, what will happen? See here, type mismatch cannot convert from string to char. Now you understand, if we give double quotes, it is not a character, it is a string. Character is denoted by single quote and then string is denoted by double quotes. You know, right? So case value must be same as switch expression type only. Must and should give single quotes. If we run the program also, we will get an error. Wait, I will show error. Saving the program and running the program. See, exception in thread main long. See the expression. Exception in thread main java.lang error and unresolved compilation problem type mismatch cannot convert from string to char. Okay. Now the next important point, case values must be unique. Now let us assume a string variable string name equal to, otherwise lang equal to, lang means language equal to Java. Now we are learning Java program. First we have to pass that variable as an expression, same lang. Now can I give C? First I am going to give C sys out C, break. Case C++ sys out C++, and then break. Case Java sys out Java, break. Okay, now we are passing expression lang, and then here we are checking case value. First it checks the first case. If this case is matched, then prints this statement and breaks from the switch expression. If this is not matched, it is not going inside and checking the statement. Next it comes to next statement and checks case value. If it is matched, then it goes inside and executes, breaks from the switch expression. If it is not matched, then it comes to last condition, which is case value Java. It is matched, then it goes inside and prints Java and breaks from the switch expression. Now check the output. Java is printed, right? Now I'm going to change. Now our example is case value must be unique. If I change this to C, look here, without compiling we got an error, duplicate case. Now I run the program. See, exception in thread main java.lang error, unresolved compilation error, duplicate case. Okay, Line number 54, we are getting duplicate. Line number 54, here is C value, here also case value is C, so that's why we are getting an error. If I change to C++ and saving the program and I am running the program, see, output came. Now you understand what is the meaning for a duplicate error. Case values must be unique. Now next important point is switch expression must be byte, short, int, long, char, string and enum, but not be float and double, which means the data type of your variable must be int, float, char, string and enum. We will check here. First, byte, we will take byte num equal to 2. Switch of num case 1 sysout 1 and then break case 2 sysout 2 break. Now I run the program, output also came. Okay, if I change this to short data type, now also output came, which means switch case is supporting by short data types. Now check int data type. Yes, for an int data type also it is working. For long data type, cannot switch on a value of type long. Only convertible int value strings or enum values variables are permitted. Now you understand, long data type also not allowed in switch expression. Okay, here we have to add long also. Okay. If I run the program, see switch statement error in 63, long data type is not allowed. Can't switch on a value of type long, only convertible int, byte, short, char, string, enum types only permitted. Okay, now I check for character. Character is ended with a single quote, and then here also I am single quote. Now the integer value is converted to a character value. If I run the program, C2 is printed, and then string, we already saw, right? String and character examples. If I change the single quotes to double quotes, run the program, see program gets executed. Okay, as of now enum ignore. I will explain in later classes. We don't know what is enum data type, right? But now float, we will check for float data type. 2.0. See here, cannot switch on a value of type float, only convertible int value, string, float also not applicable. Double, we have to remove 0.0. Here we are getting cannot switch on a variable. So in switch case we have to pass a value that must be a byte, short, int, char, string and enum type only, but not be float, long and double data types. Now you understand clearly? Some of you have doubt why we have to write break statement in switch case. Yeah, now I will explain. Each case statement can have a break statement. If break statement found, the controller does not execute next case. If not, it executes the next case. I will explain with an example. First I am going to initialize int num equal to 50. First I'm going to write and switch case num and then case value 10 sys out. Okay, I'm going to write 10 and then first I will write break statement case 20 sys out 20 break case 30 as of now enough. I think I will write here case 50 sys out 50 break. Now the controller comes here and checks case 1 value 10. If it is matched, then goes inside and prints the statement and breaks. If it is not matched and comes out of that case and checks next case, like that only the process will going on. Now run the program. Yes, 50 is printed. Now I changed this to 20. All of you know 20 will be printed. Okay, right? If I remove break statement, save the program, run the program. See, 20, 30, 50 gets printed. If I change this to 10, 10, 20, 30, 50 gets executed. Why? Because 10 value we are passing as an expression. It checks the first case value 10 equal to 10. It matches and prints this first case expression statement. There is no break statement, so that's why it continues with the next printing statement without checking the case value. See here, this statement also printed and then without break statement, so that's why it jumps to printing next statement without checking the case value. If I give break statement here, look at the program, 10, 20, 30. That number as an 10 is came here and checks the case value 10 matches, 10 is printed. There is no break statement. Without checking the case value, it is printing the next statement, and then third case also it is not checked and then prints the statement and break statement found. So that's why it is not go inside the last case value, and without printing this statement exit from the switch expression. Now you understand. Next point is case values can have a default label optional. If all the cases are not matched by default, default block will get executed, which means we are passing here expression value as 50, right? If any of the case values is not matched, by default nothing is printed, correct, right? Here I change it to 40, nothing is matched, stop the program, statement will get executed. In that case we have to know what is the by default label here. Default is an default label, ended with semicolon, and then we have to give printing statement, nothing is matched. Run the program. See, nothing is matched. What the value we are passing, that is not matched with the any case value, so that's why by default block gets executed. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down.